Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Seldovia local and long-distance movers near me. After purchasing a dream house, our major concern is to shift the belongings. This includes cartons, furniture, eclectic, and glass-based goods. If you are inexperienced or have no prior experience handling all these heavyweight or delicate goods, then you might end up damaging one of those. In such cases, it's usually better to hire a professional mover like 3 Movers. Our moving firm has one of the best trainers. They are trained and have desired experience in handling all shifts while providing moving services worldwide. In addition, we have been in this business for more than 20 years and share a good working relationship with the local federal association, which makes us the most reliable and trustworthy source to get your shifting done. What makes us reliable? Not standard shifting services. We also offer our clients a storage facility. So, if you are facing difficulty handling your belongings during the renovation period, you can choose us for your storage service. We provide insurance on products that have been shifted through us. In case of any wear and tear, you will be compensated by our moving firm. We are giving you endless reasons to choose us over others. Use secure wrapping material. Provide wholesome shifting services. Packing, loading, shifting, and resettling your items. Never deny any assignment. Active communication. Reliable, fast-moving service. Insurance on belongings. Affordable prices. Punctuality. Licensed firm. Offer last-minute shifting. Trained staff. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.